Hello, good morning, Assalamu alaikum from Madian Valley, Sawat, Pakistan. Okay, you can see there is beautiful blue sky along with clouds, and there are beautiful mountains all around me. I love to come IELTS vlogging to such type of places. These places are so mesmerizing that I really feel great whenever I come to these type of places. Okay guys, now students often ask me this general question that how to speak on cue card. Sometimes they speak a lot, and after that when they check the timing, it sounds like it's only half minute, it's only 40 seconds. In other words, we can say when it comes to speaking English, when it comes to speaking English, long time becomes short and short time becomes long. Okay, so listen, the first thing is you need to identify the topic. When you read, and I use the word identify the topic, identifying the topic means you should know whether the topic is in the present, in past tense or future. And then you can decide carefully, if I'm going to use present tense, I might have to use present perfect continuous with that, right? Present continuous, but try to avoid present continuous for IELTS speaking. Yeah, I'm telling you. Okay, after this, the second thing is you should see what is the topic. If they say describe a person you like the most, now you should read and decide immediately the person you're going to talk about. Describe a person you like the most. I love my grandmother. So you can talk about your grandmother. Describe a person you like the most. I love my father. And now you can talk about your father. So this thing, identification of the topic, identification of the tense, should be done within the first 4-5 seconds when examiner gives you the topic card, and 1 minute along with pen and paper. Now some students, they don't use pen and paper. They only look at the topic, look here and there, okay, there. And when it comes to speaking, they are actually, silent in the middle. Then they don't have anything to say. They are quiet in the middle, and then they look at the topic again and all that. So I advise you to make an outline of all the topics. Now what is that outline? That outline is that you read one subtopic and you write a point on that. And outline should be written in such a way, you can use 3 types of parts of speech when you make your outline. Number 1, you can use verbs. Number 2, you can use nouns, and number 3, to describe those nouns you can use adjectives. Verbs, nouns, adjectives when you make your outline. So make a good outline in 1 minute, and outline should be like a heading, that you look at that heading and that heading itself generates ideas for you. And when examiner says you now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes, topic should be in front of you. Don't return the topic to the examiner until the end of your speaking part 2. Topic should be in front of you. The outline you prepared, that should be in front of you. Pen should be in your hand, okay? And now you can talk, and as you've made the outline, you can tick 1 point as you cover. Then second point you've covered, tick that point. Third point you've covered, tick that point. And one more advice: do not stop until you are stopped by examiner in IELTS speaking part 2, because you don't know, you have no idea whether it's 1 minute or less than a minute or more than a minute. So allow the examiner to stop you. When examiner gestures you to stop, conclude your answer and then finish. All the best guys. Thank you very much. See ya.